What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. A new video today. Finally back in stock is the Elgato Wave 3 USB cardioid mic. Let's see, what do they call this? Premium microphone and digital mixing solution. This microphone was announced, I believe, in June, and when it was announced, I wanted it. Fast forward, let's see, to November. It's finally back in stock. This was a hot item back when it was first announced. A lot of people are really into this. This microphone retails for $159.99. I picked this up at Best Buy with a couple other accessories. One of them being the shock mount for it. I'm going to attach it to a microphone arm. So let's go ahead and dive in, jump into this thing, open it up, do a quick unboxing, and we'll go around and play with some of the settings. So let's go ahead and stay tuned. All right, here we have the Wave 3. Here's the front of the box. We have a picture of the front here, Elgato's branding at the bottom, Wave 3 at the top, picture of the microphone on its stand, premium microphone with digital mixing solution. On the side of the box here, we see some key features: superior circuitry, anti-clipping technology, zero latency monitoring, multifunctional control dial, captive mute sensor, that's on the top, internal pop filter, modular mount. In the box has the Wave 3. It has the USB-C cable, the desktop stand, boom arm adapter, that is coming in a couple of weeks, and a quick start guide. Flipping to the back, one of the key features to this microphone is the Wavelink software. So this is a digital mixing software that comes included with the microphone itself. Next level mixing, monitoring, and it's stream ready. Picture here with the microphone on a boom arm. It's tailored for creators with high resolution audio, up to 24-bit analog to digital conversion, delivers lush detail that cuts through all audio sources, distortion proof, switchable low cut filter, direct control, all sorts of good stuff. So let's go ahead. I did cut the tape already. So let's go ahead and get this thing opened. It's like Christmas. Put this box to the side, immediately greeted with the branded Elgato symbol, and that ripped. Quick start guide. And here we go. Inside this little doohickey is our USB charging cable. I also have, I think this is a boom arm adapter, threaded boom arm. That'll probably go on the bottom. This is a fairly long USB Type-C cable here. I wish it was braided. That would be kind of nice. Pulling the top piece out, and inside we are greeted with the microphone. I have to say, this thing's fairly weighty. The sticker here at the top of the bag. And here we have it. Nothing else in there. The Elgato Wave 3 microphone. Like I said, captive mute button on the top here. Button control, LED indicated. Nice weighted stand. We'll go ahead and flip over to the computer. Let's get this thing installed. All right, guys. So here we have the Wavelink software. Right now what I'm doing is recording the audio just right off of the headset microphone. This Wavelink software is actually one of the reasons why I wanted to buy this software. The software, you can see, has multiple, it's like a digital mixer, multiple settings here. We could see that, when I have the Wavelink muted, or excuse me, the Wave 3 muted, showing up here in red. we can have sound, Firefox, my web browser, Steam games, Discord. I mean, all these different things. If I had, like, I'll do another one for Spotify or anything. And it's nice because you can change the amount that I'm hearing in the headphones because I can monitor everything through my headphones as well as what's being transmitted like through a stream. So if I wanted to have a music playing through the web browser or game music through Steam, then what I would do is just and I maybe wanted to listen to music, but I'm worried about DMCA, so I don't want to stream any music. What I would do is have this all the way down so it's not transmitting, but then I can still hear it. Or if I wanted to do a little bit of music, we wanted it to play, we're playing some royalty free. I wanted to stream sounds, or my Discord chat is playing with a whole bunch of friends. Discord chat is too loud. I don't want to listen to it very much, but I want to be able to transmit it to stream. That's kind of one of the really cool things about that. The fact that it has a monitor here, so I can monitor it through my headphones as well as the output. This is just kind of really cool software. So I can add other things in here. There's all sorts of different settings. It opens up Windows settings. There's all sorts of updates, all of that good stuff. So I highly so far recommend it. It was super easy to set up. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to change the audio input. This is the audio here from the microphone, the Wave 3 microphone. And I can change what gets broadcasted. I have it so that it's turned off in my headphones. But now I can hear my voice in the headphones through like a monitor. So that's kind of cool. This is super nice software. Very basic, but does what it needs to do. And being able to have kind of a digital mixer is very, very convenient, especially if you're streaming or you, like I said, want to listen to music, but you don't want to get hit with somebody trying to copyright strike your streams or DMCA or anything along those lines. So turn the music down so it's not being broadcasted. Turn it up in your headphones. It's very, very convenient. So I'm going to play around with this microphone a little bit more, and we're going to have some good times. So guys, don't forget, please smash the thumbs up button, sub if you haven't, and go ahead and check down the links in the descriptions for any sort of social media, and links to buy this. All right, guys, have a good day. We'll see you soon.